Hello everybody! It's me again, Shibuena, and welcome back to my channel! So ayun guys, tara samahan niyo ako. At dahil lagi ko itong nakikita sa TikTok, sa Facebook, at sa YouTube, at na-intriga naman ako, kaya itatry na natin dahil malapit lang naman ito sa aking tinitirhan. So ayan, sobrang daming tao talaga. Ayan, itatry natin kung masarap nga ba talaga.
There you go. Enjoy and have a wonderful day. Just over there, just give it like 10 minutes.
Don't wait for tomorrow. Live for today. Keep chasing the sunshine and go out and play. Freeze a bird in the sky, that is what you want. Breathe and you know you're alive. Feel the beat of your heart. Well, life is a crazy way of turning everything upside down. So move with the time that you have. The world will keep spinning round.
Ito na siya mga may dabs. Itatry na natin kung talaga bang masarap siya. Mag-a-honest review tayo ngayon. So ayan na, try na natin.
Breathe and you know you're alive. Feel the beat of your heart. Well, life is a crazy way of turning everything upside down.
Ito na po, unang subo para sa inyong lahat. Sarap. Super yummy niya. So, dahil honest review tayo dito, 6.5 out of 10. Kasi hindi na ako mahilig sa sweets, that's why. But, masarap. So, next naman tayo, itong isa naman, i-try natin kung anong lasa nito. Mas mura to dun sa una natin kinain. Masarap. Mas gusto ko to kaysa dun sa una kong kinain. I think 8 out of 10. At eto naman yung pangatlo nating in order. So, next time ko na itong ita-try kasi parang nasobrahan ako sa sweets. Yun lang po. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye!